Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Have you been making your Python code and you've been trying to have your print statements or your input statements have speech marks inside of them? Possibly character dialogue saying, "Hello, what's your name?" Or something like that where you need speech marks inside your strings, but you don't know how. Here's how. So, have you ever wanted to have speech marks inside a string, but say, as a character's dialogue in a game or something like that? You can use different types of speech marks. So, let me show you. String, just call it string. As you can see, we're using the double speech marks to make the string, which means we use single speech marks to have speech marks inside the string. And if we do print string, it prints speech marks. You can do the same in inverse. So we do string 2 and do the exact same thing in inverse. So it's not double speech marks and single speech marks, it can be single speech marks, then double. Print string true. Neither takes priority. And there's no different interactions. You could do it with a dot format. It works just the same, see? Works the same code. Don't change anything. Works just the same. Thank you all very much for watching. I do hope you learned something from the video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, but please comment especially and tell me how you learned, what you liked, because it helps me make better videos which are more educational. Thank you.